In this video, all about how to fix YouTube no comment yet problem or YouTube no comment showing problem. Open your phone setting, scroll down and go to apps. Now search YouTube app. Go to YouTube app. Now scroll down and go to storage. From here, clear cache data from YouTube app. Now go to your home screen. Open Google Play Store, or if you are iPhone user, open your App Store. Now search YouTube app. Go to YouTube. From here, update your YouTube app. Open your YouTube app. Go to your account from the lower right corner. Go to setting. Now scroll down and go to send feedback. In this box, write down, "Hello YouTube team, YouTube comments not showing in my account. Please solve this problem as soon as possible." Then send your report to the YouTube support team. Go to your YouTube video and select comment filter newest. Now see YouTube comment showing your account.